Yeah,
set my soul free.
I wanna be the better person, a better version. I've changed, learned my lesson, I got more passion. We're growing old, man, the mind is getting wise. I don't drink beer no more, man, it's liquors or wine. It's not being strong, but being smart. Don't just do shit, we don't want sloppy art. Put your efforts into what kind of person you are. Don't think when you speak and do but express it from your heart. Don't wanna listen to my words, that's an option. Don't wanna love me, don't expect my dedications. Too many snakes and two faces, a lot with no hearts. Family may share bloods and laces, but they'd rather stay far. No one really matter, just do your part. Everything will fall into place and ain't gonna be hard. Be focused on who you are, no one can change that. Tap that picture on your arm, no one can change that.
I've been looking for change, looking for change. What's it gonna cost me? I've been struggling, looking for change, looking for change. What's it gonna cost? Set my soul free.
I used to struggle trying to paint a picture to save the trouble I should have just drawn Mr. Victor. Even if it doesn't have colors, you see the details. It may not be like others, it's what sets it to be itself. Do what I feel more comfortable than trying to fit in. My capabilities are preferable. No one just don't get it. I just want to be understood and easy book. But then that book won't be that good. Plain food that's been cooked. Looking for the good change, only bad when I'm mad. I walked the wrong path. Wasn't thinking right in my head to today. Some people that left judged me, probably already hated me. Those who really loved me, they wouldn't leave me. To today, they still got love in me. The past still fucks with me. Poison ivy. I've recovered above possibilities. I'm a better me now. Not this person who never won't allow. Fuck these crowds. I'd rather wait till the commotion goes down.
I've been looking for change, looking for change. What's it gonna cost me? I've been struggling, looking for change, looking for change. What's it gonna cost? Set my soul free.
I am a man, don't test me with challenges. I went through hell and back, something none of y'all did. I died once, now I'ma live again. Childhood with the devil, smoked up with them. Alright, I still come through. I may be late, but will be your only dude. My morals is love, no hate, but to be real. Hit me up, that's the deal. Drama's on your plate for real. You like to play the victim, you hella twisted. Jealousy in your eyes, you know I am gifted. I'm open to me, yours positive, negatives is in your thoughts. Something no one will do for me, so that will catch you when you fall. No more bullshit, gotta meet me halfway, then the call. I'm still hustling, no more excuses to the boss. We winning, order I'm on my own. I want all of us at the top, but then that's just me alone.